Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. We're doing a painting today. We are working on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas and our base coat is already down. Now, Rick and I are getting ready to travel south, and we're going to be gone for a while. So I have a lot of slop bucket paints. What they are, they're these little 10-ounce containers that I pour any of my drippings. I have one for black, one for coppers, one for blues, one for whites, one for pearls, so on and so forth. And I need to use them up because I don't want to let them sit for that long of a period of time. So our base coat basically is a bunch of my slop bucket paints that I have strained, doctored up, added pouring medium to it if needed, added water to it if needed. So this was a combination of my browns, a little blacks, a little copper. So it's a beautiful coppery chocolate color below. So I'm excited to use that with these colors that I picked out. What are those colors? Right here, Yummy Goodness DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold. Everybody's favorite. Right here is another wonderful color, guys. Treasure Gold and by FolkArt, and this is their Fire Opal. That is beyond delicious, guys, and I just love these paints. It's just I have a hard time finding them anymore. It's just got a creamy golden coppery goodness to it, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited about many things though, aren't I? Artist Loft soft body acrylics in the black. This guy right here has a secret ingredient that sweet Julie Vatcher introduced me to. I have a hell of a time saying this, propylene glycol. I will post a link in the description box because it's very hard to see. This started off with a little bit of GAC 800 in the bottom of the cup. Then I added my Artist Loft black to it. Then I added my pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% golden GAC 800. All of these paints are mixed the same way. The only difference with this is it's got 3 little drops of this in it. I used it the other day and magic happened. A lot cheaper than the Aussie Floetrol, available on Amazon, guys. So if you like this lacing and pearls and cells, then this might be your ticket. And that is only in the black paint. This right here, oh, I just used the last of it and it made me a little sad. That is FolkArt Treasure Gold, and that is their antique copper, and this baby is now empty. Final color right here, this Yummy Goodness purple. I had this kind of tucked away, and I found it when I was doing some organizing in my studio, and this is Windsor Newton, and that is their violet. Took a lot of stirring. It's a heavier body paint. I had to work it really slow to get it down to the consistency that we need, which is leaves a little bit of a mound on a mound until it dissipates into the paint below. So once again, all paints got a squirt of GAC 800, pouring medium, which is 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and only the black got this secret ingredient. Once again, the link to the Amazon, where I purchased it will be in the description box, as well as a link to Sweet Julie Vatcher. If you are not familiar with her, please go pay her a visit. She's lovely, she's talented, and she's a good soul, guys. So we're going to be doing a little bit of swiping. I got my handy dandy paper towels here, and if we have time and there's leftover paints, I'm going to thicken those paints up with a little bit of Sweet Krista's mix pour. and we'll do something special with it. So there you have it, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.